Good morning, you guys. It's your girl Tori, and I'm back with another video. Let me turn this Christmas lights off. So yeah, we're finally gonna do the wig today. It's currently like 9:30 in the morning, and I just have to. I wanted to curl it, so I think I have some flexi rods downstairs that I'm gonna grab, and then. But then I was thinking, if I flexi rod it, I don't want to sleep with that. So I might end up just like curling it with the I might use a wand curler to curl it and then probably like pin curl it for the rest of the day so that I can sleep properly, and then my hair will be done when I wake up tomorrow. So I'm gonna do that. Right now I'm gonna grab something to eat. Then I'm gonna start working on my wig. I don't really have much to do with it. I've worn it before, so I don't have to cut lace or anything. So yeah, we're gonna do that. You guys, I'm still trying to figure out if I should go curly or straight. I don't know, because I'm too lazy to curl it. Too lazy to curl it, but because I'm not installing it tonight, because I can't install it tomorrow, I don't think I'll have that much time to be straightening it. I don't know. I don't know. What do y'all think? I think, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna come back once I'm putting the wig on my head. Guys, I'm back. I took a shower and everything. So now I'm about to put this wig on. Oh, I forgot to mention that if you're, doing your hair in two braids when you're putting on wigs, you can remove the hair tie. I know I put it on yesterday, but I forgot to say I just put it on to like properly braid it down. But it'll be a little bulky if you still have the hair ties. So I'm just going around the perimeter, making sure everything is brushed back. Then I'm gonna take the hair like I mentioned yesterday and just kind of put it back. I put one above the other so it's flat. Then I'm shaking that well again, and I'm just getting the back part first. This is how it should look in the back. So yeah, that's what I do. For this, I'm using like this is actually a stocking, but sometimes I use them on my hair. It's really tight though. So you can use it with cap too. This one is a bit thinner, so I like it. So anyways, I just grab it. You see it? Give me a fucking money, help. You guys, I was gluing this down and then I realized I didn't hit record. So I don't have footage of me putting it down. So, sorry. But anyways, I'm gonna let this, I pulled it down and now I'm gonna let the lace kind of melt into my head for a bit before I fix my edges. Okay guys, so I don't know what I was thinking waiting until today to get the wrinkles out of this gown because of, I guess, acetate, which is the fabric that makes this thing, is very fragile. So I can't even just throw it in the washer and just hope it dries out. Basically, I have to wash it by hand or use like the low setting on the washer. So I'm gonna wash it by hand. Then I have to roll it in a towel, let it kind of air dry, and then run the iron over it. So I'm gonna go grab some detergent so I can wash this by hand and then put it on a towel, I guess. I'm over it. Alright, you guys, so they said to put it on a towel. So I just washed it in the coldest water. My hands are freezing. So I'm gonna unravel it and then put it, like they said, on a towel. I don't understand why they couldn't just make gowns with cotton. Like, why y'all always have to be extra? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna fold this in a bit. And then I'm gonna roll it like they said. They said to roll it. Like that. Alright, I'm gonna give it like 3 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, I have I finished, you know, gluing down my frontal. So I just have to style it now. Feels pretty secure. Feels pretty secure, honey. Yes. So I'm gonna style the baby hairs and stuff. Brush down my sideburns, you know, and then fix it properly. I'm not going for extra. My hair is gonna be down anyways. The cap's gonna be on. So I don't really care. Sad episode. Alright, let's see how it looks. Okay, still wrinkly. But basically they said let it air dry for a bit. And while it's still a bit damp, that's when you run the iron over it. So y'all pray for me I don't burn this gown. Once it dries a bit, I'm gonna try to quickly iron out. You guys, so I'm working on it now. It's kind of losing the wrinkles now that I'm running the iron over it, but I'm still trying to be gentle because I don't want to ruin the material. So I am stressed. I am stressed. Do you hear me? I put my pillowcase under the fabric because they said not to press it without like a pressing cloth, and this was the closest I could get to a pressing cloth. So I'm just using what I have, baby. I'm only wearing this for one day. At this point, it is what it is. But I really don't understand why they need to make these gowns in such like complicated materials. Like you couldn't make a gown in like a cotton material. You had to go for synthetic. Like it's so hard. Because you have to be so careful. Alright, y'all. So I'm all done. And this is the best I could do. It definitely looks a lot better than earlier. So, you know, it still has wrinkles, but what can I do? Like, this material is like, it's too scary. I don't want to over iron it and then it melts off. So, this is what they're going to get. I'm going to let it finish drying up here. And then, you know, it's just going to have to do. This is the back. I feel like it just needs to finish drying and then the whole thing will start matching. But yeah, this is it. I think it looks fine though. I'm over it. I know the girls like to do like really huge swoops, but I'm not really into that. I do it every now and then, but I don't like to. I just want a little bit so that it can cover up, you know, the lace, but not like a crazy amount so that it looks so wiggy. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up my hair and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, you guys, so I'm all done with my hair. I'm just tying it down so that I can sleep with it tonight and it'll be good tomorrow. I don't have to touch it up or anything. So I am gonna rock it straight tomorrow. I think I'll just have to wake up and just run the flat iron over it so it can be bone straight, like quick, like 3 pass, you know, just quickly run it over the outside part because it's straight. I just have it wrapped up. And yeah, I'm just gonna rock it straight because I'm too lazy to curl it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here just so I can edit it and have it up, because you know I don't have anything else to do today. I'm just gonna polish my toenails and put on press-ons on my fingers, and that's it. I did everything else. My gown's in the back, so that's good. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when I wake up at like 4:30 to do my makeup, so that it'll be done in time for me to just, you know, get in the car and go to the venue. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you tomorrow for my graduation vlog, and I think we might go somewhere afterwards. We'll see though. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Make sure to like this video, make sure to comment, subscribe, and hit that like button. I mean, hit that bell so you know whenever I upload. And yeah, bye.